close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome to JD's Vlogs on this very cold, wet Sunday morning. So, I am here at the Racers Guild race, and yes, the track is very muddy, muddier than it has been. So, I'm hoping to gas that actually, and land about there, get enough speed, I'll be able to gas it. But I'm not in my kit yet, just because of how muddy it is. I don't want to get that plastered and then have to race in wet gear as well. So yeah, should be nice and fun. And this looks massive when you're coming up to it. But you'll end up landing on that big wide bit, so I can fly down, land down there somewhere. I can hit the rock garden if I need to, but yeah, come flying down here, all the way down. You got a little drop here, hardly anything, it's more of a hump. Just completely flat out all the way down. I know what the bottom section's like, but this top section, it's okay, I guess. Down a little bit with it being wet. Hi. Which one should I go for, left or right? And as I'll be coming down there, flying down, I'll probably aim towards the left a bit more than the right. Don't want to end up in the bracket. One in? Yeah. Just flying down here. Now slip through these rocks. That's grippy as hell. Now we're into section 2. I'd say each marshal's a section. That first from the start, that was the start section to marshal 1. From marshal 1, section 2. This is section 3. Flying down here, fly, fly, fly. So frigging muddy though. I might even exit into the berm actually. You've got a mega berm here at the start of section 4 that loops back round. Tacky is this. Just come up as high as possible, lean in as far as possible, and then I'll be done. So yeah, let's go all the way down the trail. Because I've got to allow time to get back up to the top and get changed. Right, there is one section I really want to look at. and that is the corner up here where it banks sharp right. This is no problem. Come down here, not got a problem here, but then this is what I was going on about, where you got the sharp right hand corner, swinging your right the way round, and it's immediate left, then another immediate right. Memory serves from last year. Yeah, here you go, look. Yeah, this is it. Because you go right, left, and then a really big right hand corner. Like, really deep. So, that's A&E from last year. Looking at that, to be honest, we were joining up with the track there. Or was it there? I think it was there. But to be honest, A&E curls round that way. Well, that's the way they look like anyway. Right, let's get that off the track. Don't want anybody to dig rocks and stuff. Coming down here, big whip bar turn here. Well, not big whip, just a bar turn. Come all the way down, 561. Upside down 165. So, I don't know whether to come straight over and go straight, or to bank round. Let's have a look here. Because you're coming out the corner anyway. So, if I come down and bank it round that way, that'd work. But if I came down and just went straight, that'd also work. I guess I've got to see which way other riders are going. But come down, straight down. Ugh.